enough is it to put Facebook pixel onto a website? Does it have to be done by a professional? Thanks for the question, Taylor. It really depends on what platform you're using. For example, and again, I know I'm referencing WordPress a lot today, but that is the platform that we happen to specialize in. There are Facebook Pixel plugins that will kind of guide you through that process and help you to get that implemented in there. It's usually not hard to add the pixel on there. Usually there's some way to insert that into what they call the header of your website, and Facebook will give you that code to insert in there. And I think that's a great idea, because if you're going to do if you're wanting to build unique audiences on Facebook or do remarketing campaigns or conversion tracking specifically for Facebook paid campaigns, that can be an invaluable tool.
Absolutely. I will add to that, the only piece you need to be careful with is that you're not editing the site code just on raw pages. The benefit of even for a WordPress site of using a plugin to be able to safely add header, footer, body code for these sorts of snippets really helps keep you safe in that regard. So I wouldn't go in and edit raw code, but yeah, it's definitely something you could do yourself.